Hola, young mama. Welcome to another episode of Figure It Out Friday. I'm Danielle Ford, the founder of Young Moms Club, where young moms go to empower themselves and design their perfect lives. Today, I want to discuss a topic that comes up all the time, and that is what to do if you've split with your baby daddy and now he's threatening to take custody, or if you want to split, but he's threatening you as well. So many moms deal with this, and if you're one of them, then keep watching. Okay, so if you are already familiar with Young Moms Club and you've been following the videos and my story, then you already know that I took my ex to court and represented myself because I couldn't afford an attorney, and I ended up winning full legal and physical custody of my kids. The entire time he was threatening me that he made more money than me and he was more secure and he had his family and he had a lot of support for the kids, and at this time I was struggling hardcore. I was scared. I didn't have my shit together, and it's really scary to think about going in front of a judge because they're literally the only person who can take your kids away from you. So I had a lot of doubts in my mind. But like I said, I ended up winning, and that was a long time ago. And since then, I've helped a lot of my friends with their custody cases. And my boyfriend now is an attorney, and he practiced family law for 12 years. So he generously gives his time, and he helps Young Moms Club by taking phone calls and giving free legal advice to young moms. And I sit in and I just moderate the calls. And so I hear the questions, and time again, it is the same thing. It is so textbook for a guy to split with a girl, and then he knows that she's struggling, and so he tells her, he has more than her, he has more money, a better job, a better house, security, and all this stuff. And then he pretty much will lay it out and say, this is when I want the kids, this is what you're gonna do, here's how much money I'm gonna give you, if any. And he threatens her, if you don't like that, then I'll pay for an attorney and I'll draw up papers and I'll take you to court for full custody. Well, I'm here to tell you that that is bullshit. There is no judge in the world that wants to take the kids away from the mom. Even if you've made some mistakes, even if you're between a rock and a hard place, if you're able to show that you're trying to better your life or show that you have a plan, judges are going to work with you. They're not going to take your kids away from you. They want to see the kids with the mom. Especially if your kids are little, the courts recognize how important it is for kids to be with their mother. And as far as your ex making more money than you, awesome! That just means that he can pay you more in child support. Now, of course, every single case is different, but every judge expects the same story of the struggling mom and the dad who's doing so much better, and now he wants custody. And if your ex has said things that are threatening to you or that are trying to scare you, make sure to tell the judge, because the judges have seen that a million times and they do not like it. Now keep in mind that I am not an attorney, but my boyfriend is. So if you need even more family law advice and you want to jump on a phone call, then you can sign up in the link below. Thank you so much for watching. If this helped you, then please click like and subscribe. And if you have a friend that you think needs to hear this, share it with them. And if you're not part of the club yet, if this is the first time you're hearing about us, or if you just haven't done it yet, then head over to youngmomsclub.com, enter your name and email, and officially become part of the club. You'll connect with me and the other members one-on-one, and I'll send you a free ebook, The 7 Steps to Being a Kick-Ass Young Mom. Thanks for watching. I will see you next week. Men suck. Not all men suck. Like 60% of them. I don't know, like 40% men. Okay, men jokes. How many men does it take to screw in a light bulb? I don't know, I have an answer to that. Why did the man cross the road? Because he didn't want to ask for directions. Okay, I don't know any good men jokes. I'm gonna Google it.